I'm Kiki, the Green Guard. I'm here to improve the environment. Let's see what we can do. Look, that fish looks geeky. Our home is contaminated. Please help. Now put the fish in the fish bowl. Thank you. Careful. The lake is clean again. Good work. The water is filthy. Let's clean it up. Remove the trash. Watch the power of technology. Try this. None of you are getting away. Haha! The water is clean. I'm gonna trim the tree into a pretty shape. Trim along the dotted line. Ha-ha! I'm a gardening genius. The building is so dirty. Let's clean it. Right here. Now we scrub. Scrub here. Now let's rinse off the bubbles. The rat is making a mess again. There's trash everywhere in the park. Let's clean it up. I can do my part for the environment. I'm a green guard. Everybody loves a clean park. Bad rat, stop littering.
Whoa!
I see a flower bed. Let's water it. Flowers need water. Water can help flowers bloom. Water is out. Pump and get more. Water can help flowers bloom. Water is out. Pump and get more.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Water is out. Pump and get more.